Kiama kia UDA kaunti ya Kirinyaga no githiete na mbere na kwaria mitaratara mirumu ya gutigirira nikiyukio hotani turo-ini cia atongoria kaunti-ini ino ciumia igiri mbere ya ithurano cia wamurani iria irarĩrĩirio tariki 14. Na harĩ kĩrĩa kĩronekana tarĩ igeria rĩa gũtigĩra kura cia Kirinyaga cigathiĩ gĩkabũ-inĩ kĩa UDA, amwe ya ahũranĩri kĩama-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ mambĩrĩirie kwĩyeheria na kũnyita aruna ao mbaru.
Thank you very much.
Kiroko kia umuthi muciini kwa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto, gavana niwiyumiririe ni atongoririe gikundi kia ahuraniri a iturwa itiganite aria maniriire kweherera iturwa-ini iria marethaga. Wa mbere ari muhuraniri wa giturwa gia useneta munene njeru uria ugukorwo akinyita mbaru murunawe James Kamau murango ndeto iria irekereirio ni William Ruto.
The two gentlemen who are running for the Senate seat, Honorable Murango and Honorable Munene njeru, have agreed through the party processes. Munene njeru will now support the candidature of Honorable Murango.
Ruto ugite uyu ni mubango wa kurehe wiganania wa utongoria kaunti-ini ino, amu gavana wa iguru na munene njeru maumite itura-ini rimwe mwena wa gicugu nake Kamau wa murango umite gicigo-ini gia Kirinyaga ya gatagati.
And in terms of balancing the county, they have taken that into consideration, and Munene njeru has graciously accepted to delay his candidature to a future date and support the party and Honorable Murango.
Na kuo kihitahitano-ini gia giturwa kia ubunge gia Kirinyaga ya gatagati, umwe wa ahuraniri a giturwa giki na tigiti wa UDA muciri njeru ni yeheretie niguo kunyita mbaru uria wari mubunge Gacoki Gitari na uria urahuranira giturwa giki na tigiti wa UDA.
Muciri njeru has also agreed under the same arrangement to support the Honorable Gitari for the Kirinyaga Central seat. The Honorable Muciri njeru is a fine young man. He's been part of our party activities the last 2.5 years. He has provided immense contribution to the popularity of our party in Kirinyaga and nationally. A young man who has been part of our youth team.
Ruto ni agathiriirie gavana wa iguru na atongoria aria mari kiama-ini kia UDA kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kumana na mibango iria makoretwo nayo ya gwikira kiama giki hinya. Riu munene njeru na muciri njeru ni mahetwo wira kamiti-ini iria iratabania kampeini cia Ruto kiama-ini kia UDA, riu makiranira kwendia kiroto gia kiama giki.
This transformation until it reaches every corner of this country, and make sure that the UDA will be the party which will be forming the government.
My heart goes out to my fellow youth. As a 30-year-old young man myself, I believe that the youth need to be stakeholders in the leadership of this nation. We cannot sit idly by and continue to watch as unemployment soars, as the leadership of this nation.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.